Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Chrissy. I'm so pleased to meet you. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to be creating this everyday look using all the products out of the GlossyBox 2019 advent calendar. If you'd like to know how I got the look, please stay tuned. So we're going to start off with using this MUA Pro Base Primer Oil. So I'm just going to apply a little bit because, like I say, I'm not sure how far it will go. That is really, for me, that's really oily. The NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. And I'm going to use the Luxie brush, which was in number 6. I'm going to go for this slightly pinky shade. Yeah, that's okay, is it? The first dark colour. We've got some fireworks going off. Oh, it's Diwali. This next shade down, which is this one. I'm going to use this darkest brown here. I'm going to add the dark brown to the sides. We have got this Mina liquid cream eyeshadow. It was in number 14. I'm going to use that on my lid, which that's what it's like inside. It's like a goldy bronze colour, which is really nice, just a tiny little bit. Oh, that's made it come to life. Next thing we want to do is an eyeliner. So we've got this one from LA Splash, which is absolutely beautiful. This one was number 7. It's a Wickedly Divine eyeliner. And we've also got a mini Kat Von D, which was number 22. Tattoo liner. So we've got some eyeliner on. I'll put that on. We haven't got anything for underneath, so I'm going to apply the long-lasting eyeliner from Essence. I've not used this one before. It's just a twist up kohl pencil. This Revolution Blowout mascara. This is the one with the cannabis sativa in. haven't done my brows, so I'm going to use this Winky Lux eyebrow pencil, what I had. Okay, so that's a nice product. I'm going to slip off camera and do my base, and then I'll come back to you. We actually had a beauty sponge in the GlossyBox. It was door number 3, and I forgot to use it. Powder this foundation down. I will say I didn't like the feel of the primer oil, but I'll speak as I find the foundation went onto it really nicely. I don't know whether it looks any smoother than normal. So onto the star of the show is the Park Avenue Princess Chisel and Contour. That's what it looks like inside. It's stunning. I should probably go with these here. Never used this product before, Tarte. Because in the UK we can't get it very many places. I know we can get it off the shopping channel, but I don't think there's many other places. You might be able to get it from Cult Beauty or Beauty Bay or something like that, I'm not sure. It's not something I've actually ever looked into buying, but I know it was always a higher end price range. I've used that full contour and bronzer. Try this one here. It's a Touch of Glow highlighter stick. That Park Avenue Princess was obviously, it's Christmas days, it was number 25. I've got this highlighting stick here, which was number 16. We'll try a little bit of that. Got this blush palette as well. This was early on. It was number 20. I think we're going to go for this one here. Just a little bit. You really only need a touch. It's really pigmented. That's good, because I mean the Barry M products aren't expensive at all. Go back onto the eyes, and we'll just run some colours underneath, just to open the eyes up a little bit. And I'm going to run this first colour that I used and the brown, or the other brown. Right, let's have a little look what this looks like then. Wow, it is right. It's gorgeous. I'm actually not going to put lashes on today because I think we've got enough going on with our eyes. So I'm going to add Cara Revolution on this time, because if I'm not wearing false lashes, I want something that I know looks good. We've got a couple of options. We've got the Nude Sticks, which is a cream lip and cheek tint, but I didn't want that colour on my cheeks, so that was in number 4. We've got the Steve Laurent, hang on a minute, the Steve Laurent lip tint, which was in number 23, and we've also got Matte Me by Sleek, which is in the shade Birthday Suit, which was in number 10. So what I'm going to do, I'll put the pencil on for the liner, and I'll use the Sleek for the colour itself. My lips need a scrub. Saying that, I've got a couple of lip scrubs that I'm going to make. So if you'd like to see them made, make sure you stay tuned, or even subscribe to my channel, and then you won't miss it at all. That's a nice colour on its own, that one is. My lovelies, that's the finished look for today. I really hope you've enjoyed watching. If you have, give us a thumbs up, that would be great. And if you'd like to, and you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Until we see each other again, probably next week. Love you loads. Bye guys.